So this Trinity College. Colleges to Trinity, they had a children's pattern pool, and the girls were in their bikinis and the press. And there's a notice outside that says it's the oldest.
Lemon and elderflower Fudge.
Four colours, the Tudors and the Tudors. So this college and lots of them are all connected to white now. Because we have got something that is not and he doesn't got something that he should have. Yes. What is it? He's a king, so he has to be all represented. We know how to and this is where anybody who can judge business drawings or anybody in the family is connected to the university will receive their degrees here at the Senate House. And years ago, before they had mobile phones, you had to go in there and look for your name. No name, no pass. It's not anywhere near the fun because they've got it beforehand. So very miserable. I used to see them crying. Bottles of champagne. They walked on the grass that day because normally in the colleges you cannot walk on the grass. You were very good. None of you walked on the grass that day. Now, you have to pass, as I say, the exams first time. There's something you can do if you fail.
If you fail?
After the exams, we have something called suicide Sunday. And that suicide Sunday. That usually means getting absolutely blotter out of your mind at 7 o'clock in the morning. I've done tours on that day, believe me. I've seen girls on the pubs, but they haven't got a clue what to do. And the girls got arrested. I shouldn't be saying this, but they had in one of the colleges, Trinity, they had a children's pattern pool, and the girls were in their bikinis and they were wrestling, fighting together, and it got a bit out of hand, so they had to call the policeman to break up these girls. I mean, we think about the men doing daft things, but I think it's been banned now, jelly pies. So, can you imagine jelly, lots of jelly in a packing pool? Not water, but jelly.
Yes.
I mean,
It's not to be done.
No, but what you can do here is you can do the Senate House. Just go together.
This is College of Stephen Hawking. Stephen Hawking studied here.
So without a vote,
They could talk.
and that's because one man sees the ball. And they had the reunion. And the problem was that we women seemed to age a lot more than you gorgeous men, because the women were going up to the man and saying, hello darling. Do you remember that night we had, lingered outside college all the time? And darling says to me, so women will remember their boyfriends, but boyfriends didn't remember.
Oh,
And that
shame.
made all the newspapers. There you go.
Look at his expressions.
This is where town. I'm a dark velvet, so that's our colour. What would you think would be the colour of the other place? Well, nearly dark.
Dark.
Now we
Same, I meant the same.
yeah.
We call it navy blue.
Yeah, I can't do that one. Now we just saw the university press, and there's a notice outside that says it's the oldest shop selling the same thing for 500 years. That shop now belongs to the press, and the university is old like companies. That is old sold books. For 500 years, it's never been a shop for anything else. That is quite amazing, isn't it? That's quite amazing. So,
They look quite sugary.
Sugary.
They look. Lemon and golden marrow Fudge. Nice refreshing box for a day like today. Making it every day. Making a chocolate like that.
Thank you. A little bit more.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Where's that?
We made it for the royal wedding. And now they've had a baby. We'll make it again today. That's the cake at the wedding. For hours. Everything's made here.
so if we get married, we have to make a pub. Stephen Hawking unveiled it.
Stephen Hawking?
Yeah.
He donated it?
No, he unveiled it.
Okay.
Because we live here, and about 10 o'clock, 10 at night, everybody drinking here has to disappear. So that the students can get some.
So they hire this apartment? They take it on rent? College will provide that.
And this is where they discovered, they announced, Peter Watson announced that they got the secret.
So this is King's College, right?
No, this is the Eagle Hub.
Eagle.
This is where Peter
Eagle.
Watson
Eagle.
announced the discovery of the structure of DNA. Switzerland discovered DNA, but Cambridge discovered the structure of DNA. Because just over the road are the science laboratories. So all the scientists tend to come here. And we've got a ghost up there. You can see that window up there. It has to stay open 24 hours, 7 days a week. Yeah, because a little girl died with a candle, and to let her spirits roam the world, be happy, you must keep the window open. The staff in there will tell you that every time you close down, the spirit is trying to sway. I think they're making that up myself. It's definitely a thing. And during the Second World War, when you were all on our side, we've got lots of airfields here, and Duxford. And so we've got the RAF bar, and in that ceiling, on the top, you can see all the graffiti of the squadron numbers, and including a lot of American numbers. So whenever anybody comes, airmen or soldiers or whatever, whenever they come to Cambridge, they will come and it's really Shakespeare saying here, I was over the road. So anybody who's anybody